Kneeling in the dust, he settles in, hands steady on the rifle. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Eyes locked on the silhouette. No hurry, just the rhythm. The trigger breaks. Brass spins into the air, tumbling through sunlight. He breathes again, calm, already ready for the next shot.
Left, right, left, right. On ahead.
Okay, keep it level.
Good. Set it down. Ready, go. 1, 2, down. Hold it. Up on your feet. Move out.
Let's go together.
Keep that pace.
Push.
Don't let it drop.
Finish strong. Give it.